the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, Koppal is going to have a tough contest between the Bharatiya Janata Party's Dr Basavraj Kyavater and the Indian National Congress K Rajashekhar Basavaraj Hitnal. Currently, Koppal is represented by BJP's Karadi Sanganna, who has consecutively won the seat since 2014. Some members of the BJP have expressed their discontent with the decision to nominate Dr Basavraj. Dr Kyavator is a joint replacement and orthopaedic surgeon and has experience working in Dubai and Bengaluru. He is the youngest son of former Kushtagi MLA K Sharanappa and the younger brother of Kushtagi ZP member K Mahesh. Congress' K Rajashekhar is the son of former politician K Basavraj Hitnal and was elected as the MLA from the Koppal Assembly in the 2023 state elections. Koppal is going to vote on 7th May and the results will be announced on June 4th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Solar Digital for more such updates.